How to speed up Shopify website easy. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Shopify website very easily. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Shopify app store and you'll get right here. This is my Shopify. You can see myshopify.com and I have my store. So if you have a store on Shopify and you struggle with the engagement and you feel like you need to speed up your Shopify store, you need to actually upgrade your whole data process. For instance, the products, you need them to load faster. The overall experience of your store, you want to improve it and you want to speed up your Shopify website so that you get more engagement. You will be able to then sell more products and make more money. So how to do that? It's actually really easy to do. You will be using an app today. So for that, I'm going to go to the add app option right here on my website. And then we're going to actually scroll down a little bit and we will click on Shopify App Store. So here on our Shopify App Store, we will be able to add any app we want. We want to add an app known as Fast Shop. So here we have it, Fast Shop, optimize all media. So this is the app that we need to add, and you can see free plan is available. What this app does is you can see get blazing fast shop, load time and boost conversion rate. This will allow me to simply optimize my videos and images, make them lighter and give a serious boost to my store load time. When it comes to the pricing of this app, there is a free version available and product images only 500 images per month. This is actually pretty good. And then there is also a pro for $25 per month. And you can also go for $250 per year and save up to like 20%. So you can see the reviews are pretty good. This is the app that we need. I'm going to click on add app and it will be added to my Shopify store. We're going to install the app. So here we're going to click on install app. And now the app has been installed. You can see it is under apps here. We have Fast Shop and you can access it anytime in your settings. You have to go to settings and then you can scroll down a little bit to apps and sales channels and you will be able to see that Fast Shop has been added here. So now I have opened it up. You can see we have Fast Shop here. We're going to click on next, next again, and optimize. Here we're going to select our plan. I'm going to select the free version. And now it will start optimizing my store. You can see it's optimizing the images that I have on my store, the videos that I have. It will show me how much we have saved. You can see it will continuously optimize my new media asset in the store as well. So if you think you will have to come here again and again to, optimize, then you don't need to. You can see I just created the store. I do not have any image, but it says images optimized. It will show you the number of images here, the number of videos and the bytes that you have actually saved. So this is how I will be saving the time of my customers and it will help my store load faster. It has made the images and the video size smaller so that it loads faster. So you can see right here, I can also click on these settings now here and it will take me back to the settings for Fast Shop where I will be able to check if I want to optimize the photos or videos or not. If I want to restore any media, I'll be able to do so from here. You can see we have restore media. If you do not want to optimize the videos or the photos, you can actually disable this option from here. We also have a payment. This is for the Fast Shop. If you are buying the plan, of course, you will need to update the payment. So that's how easy it is to make your website faster. If I take you to my storefront now, if I go to the online store here and we will open up our store, I will be able to show you. So here I will be able to show you my current theme and I can click and open up my store. So let's do that. Plus, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to my products here and quickly upload an image too so that I can show you. So I'm going to add a product here and upload the media. So I have added these product images to show you. Now I have two images on my store. If I open up my store now and if we go to the catalog, if I go to the catalog page here, so we have this image. So you can see it took a very less time to load. This is the image and when my customers will come to my store, they will be able to load the images very faster. So if I take you back to now, we go to the Fast Shop. And here now it will show me the optimized image in a minute once it's like uploaded. And then it will show me how many bytes it has actually saved. There are other platforms as well that you can go for, but Fast Shop is actually really easy to add and it is available for free. That is why it's a pretty good app to add to your Shopify store if you want to speed up your store. What are the different benefits of speeding up your store? Well, because when customer is buying something, they get to the product and they want to check the product here. So if the product takes a lot of time to load, they don't buy it then. And it sometimes I am going on a website, I want to buy something, and it takes a lot of time to load, and that is actually not a good look for a business. So if you want to speed up your business, if you want your customers to come back and actually buy the product, then you need to speed up your store. So if you were struggling with your Shopify store, if you had this problem, then this video was for you. You can go ahead and check out Fast Shop right now and add this app to your Shopify store. You can also uninstall the app anytime you want, and you can get the support here. And you can also add the Fast Shop on your app very easily. We also have other apps that you can check out. We have Fast Shop, and then there are others too. So I'm going to actually show you. You can go to the apps, and then we're going to go to recommended apps and open up our Shopify app store. So here you can search for optimized store, and it will show you a lot of other apps as well. We have this one right here, which is Twig, and this one is boost sale and increase revenue using automated personalization. Then we have SEO booster. So these are also other of the application you can see. Then we have a Fast Shop here again that allows you to optimize and boost your conversion rate. And then we have Crush right here, speed and image optimizer. This one here, Crush. Similarly, we have Thunder here, that is also in to optimize the page speed, you can see. And we have Section Store too. So these are the different apps, Crush and Thunder too, that will allow you to optimize your slow scripts, and it will allow you to boost your images and also work on the SEO so that it does not affect the quality of the images. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to speed up your Shopify store. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.